I'm going to do a quick demo today of Virtual Assistant by Starline. This is something that is available if a Starline sales rep calls on you in office, and this is a way to get you to present Starline's best-selling products to your customers through either random samples, spec samples, or virtuals. So to get started, go ahead and click the QR code, and you're going to get to a menu here inside the Virtual Assistant. So you can, like I said, create virtuals, specs, or order free random samples. We'll start with the Virtual Creator. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload artwork. You can upload any type of artwork. It can be an Illustrator file, it can be an EPS file, or something as simple as a PNG or a JPEG. So the first question you're going to get is public or private. Public means if we ever come in and call on you again, this artwork will be available to you through this link. Private means this artwork will only appear in this link that we're working with today from the meeting. So we could use public or private. I'm going to use this McDonald's PNG file here. I'm going to open that up, and it'll take a second, and it will appear in your uploaded area. So you click on the file, and Virtual Assistant is going to roll through and create virtuals for you on one color of each of the products that were included in that flyer. If we scroll down, we will see the other colors of the products available, and the Virtual Assistant will slowly go through and create the virtuals for you. So if something looks good, you click on it. If you decide that maybe you wanted to use a different color artwork, you can switch to all white or all black from this tool. You'll go ahead and pick the items that you think will work well, and you can go to checkout. So once you've selected a couple products here, we can save them to your device. We can save them to your device or download them with some product information, or you can email the virtuals. If you download them or save them to your device, they will become clear background virtuals. We'll go back to select service, and we'll hit free spec samples. So notice I had McDonald's artwork uploaded and then this other company, Shad. This kicked out the McDonald's artwork because it was not vector. It was a PNG file. So we can only proceed here with vector artwork. Click on the logo. The system will go ahead and create the virtuals for you again like it did before. Here we can do some color changes if we'd like. Change to white or change to black. We'll pick something that looks good that we want to proceed for on a spec sample, and then check out. So once you're on this checkout screen, the link for the Virtual Assistant is already linked to your company. So we have your information, but if you want to ship to your different location or to yourself directly, you can enter all of your contact information in here. Company, attention, email, so on and so forth. Once you click Order Spec Sample, the spec will be in the works. I would take a screenshot of this screen and save it for your records in case there's a glitch. That way you have all the information that you need to process this order. And if you have any troubles or any questions, reach out to your Starline salesperson. Thank you.